Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya Assembly Youth Congress Committee facilitates students who pass in the MBOS examination 2021. Meghalaya Congress legislator PT South meet to protest petrol price hike. Nazareth Hospital Shillong organizes blood donation camp. Nyautrep Integrated Territorial Organization seeks explanation from East Khasi Hills District Administration about the coming of Manjinder Singh Sirsa to Shillong. And members of Meghalaya Wushu Association today gave a warm send-off to its members who will participate in the Junior National Wushu Boys and Girls Championship. And now the news in detail. The Meghalaya Assembly Youth Congress Committee today facilitated the students of Meghalaya constituency who have successfully passed the SSLC and HSSLC 2021. The facilitation program was held at Nongjui Riboy district, where Charles Marngar, MDC of Meghalaya constituency, was the chief guest and Sankupar Sinkli as guest of honor. Member of Meghalaya Block Congress Committee, elders, parents and students took part in the facilitation program.
Ngày đầu tiên là những số EP ngắm giữa bọn phụ nữ bà cùng bọn phụ nữ kiểu ấy thì phụ nữ kiểu bà kiểu biết thì biếng đấy ngay là ngắm giữa các bọn phụ nữ cái đấy self education nên ai muốn yêu play và các bọn phụ nữ school thì tracy tom và các bọn các mau các bọn phụ nữ school cũng tu phụ school mình step class 9 và class 10 phụ school mình step mà khăn Christian phụ bela mensengi padam culaban kalian pa agapor ke bang nagli school menswa por pangabalahan dan tang iwi patulun koton jin beritai koton jin ro ibal khap da kanchi kamsu titai di ibal burom ha kliap ha pada bangale sejagat trai ke mau ngi chna ko ke yeng shapo nemu hanok tmai tibun bagi paset tishan namaran telot kapor te itai patulun ngabu bahan dan on pasis nomor pabrin mentang lagi perlu samla di dalam cipu aksat ni betul ni bukan ini mai pa ni penbiang ni betul ni jadi bukan khatam apa lagi kalau jadi bukan yang kan mau sa aku lagi cinta apa nami nanti dengan burung ni cenas tu aku lagi yang pokset kena mar mengabun mengaset tingset nasi dolengka iki kiu yang atul lagi bah gue nanti gue nak mat apa harman lo nanti gue hadu pokset pada itu karena mendaki yang agak kaya sedang dan pengingat. Kita kan ini kecingin tentang ini, aku juga apa, kita determination kecingin, kita thong kecingin, ni excitement kuat juga. Pengalong kumne mengalong kita, kedai nama apa, ni IT ialah dia. Maka kita dan kami kecingin start, ismi kita dan kami kecingin start. Lalu ni perkat, tang yang kebasisnya. If you are planning for a year, so rise.
Meghalaya Congress legislator PT Saukme today said that he will protest the unbridled petrol price hike in the state. Speaking to the media, Saukme said that he, along with his supporters, will have to come out of the streets to protest the unbridled petrol price hike in the state. He said the sudden increase of the price of petrol, more than 100 rupees, has badly affected the common people and the taxi drivers who are facing with no income in view of the prevailing situation.
Kumju jongga India itu aku baru ni kalau dan hari ini haduk kata. Maksud tu abala kiu metai ka dor betul dor diesel. Kalau ki marbam mardi baru hi kira kiu hi. Di dor jong gas dah kalau kiu agak dor jong ka marbam mardi lagade menu hau lagade no kiat lagade han baru kita hi kira kiu ha kede kesini mata. Nakale jingi nakadon kam banda kali jingi kalong ba gimi pai ba ban mi pai ba lani bani mi surok lani kalong da kali jingi kalong ba ni hab ban persya ya ka sokam ya hab ban persya bar kali jingi kiu jo kador jo petrol ba kadise kalong srop lat aba nak ta kham tame kalong kham tam mi ki nonglit nongwan ha kali sni ba bon ki pai ba kham tam gitu ki balik trade ki kali Bos kata kalau knowledge kita kalau sini kali betre. Tetapi misalnya ni not sure ikaban sekali nama kelangan ya aneka dor jauh betul. Pahala juga bon diberi hati ni sini yang lapik buat anak mulai. Pada mulai bon diberi bos kata sudah ada kali betul kita. Dengan ni sini mula cuba sekali. Maka dor jauh betul sudah tius betul. Apa kalau pelong kita tengah nak ada sekali long macam cengek bah. Kalau poi ke pori mat kalau nak liang jengi na baka jengkiu dor. Jangan betul betul. Bagi pai bak sai sing hak pania kejat biang.
Nazareth Hospital Shillong, in collaboration with Inner Wheel Club of Shillong today, organised an awareness cum blood donation program at the Conference Hall of Nazareth Hospital at Limekra in Shillong. The voluntary blood donation program was organised as part of the observance of National Voluntary Blood Donation Month with this year's theme, Give Blood and Keep the World Beating. The program began with an opening address given by the administration of the Nazareth Hospital of Shillong, Sister Noreen. Speaking on the occasion, she expressed deep appreciation to the different stakeholders for making the program a success. Sister Noreen also thanked Shan Borlang Thank You and his parents for donating his blood 34 times.
To keeping the world pulsating by saving lives and improving others' health. It is the one thing that you can give and save the life of another human being. All of you are esteemed blood donors. In making regular blood donations, your lifestyle have shown the way for others to follow. At this time, I just want to mention a special person, that is Shamborlan Thank You and his family, who has donated blood for 34 times. He's really an example to all of us.
Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Hubert Dakar, the in-charge of the Blood Centre of Nazareth Hospital, explained the various types of blood donors. Dr. Dakar also informed that the Supreme Court has banned professional blood donors as they are the main carriers of diseases.
Or either if my father or my mother or my brother or sister is sick, I go and donate blood. I'm not a voluntary blood donor, but I'm a replacement donor. Or either the blood has been taken from the blood bank and then be replaced later on. So that is what we call it, replacement donor. Then the next one is a voluntary donor. Voluntary donor I've already told you earlier, so I need not to repeat. And among the voluntary blood donors also we have the subtypes. The first time voluntary blood donor, example, we have seen in the video. So they donated blood for the first time in their life. Then we have a lapsed voluntary blood donor. Because we are all human beings, so anytime, any moment we may fall sick. So I may be fit today, but in the next donation I may not be fit. So again the next consecutive donation I may not be fit, so I may be fit again in the next 1 or 2 years. So I became a lapsed voluntary blood donor. Then the third category of voluntary blood donor is a regular voluntary blood donor. Regular means a one who really stay fit and donate blood every 3 months for men and every 4 months for women. So these are the regular voluntary blood donor. Then we do have what we call them the professional blood sellers or professional blood donors. These are the people who have been restricted and banned by the Supreme Court of India. We cannot buy or sell blood. These people are the potential carriers of many diseases. So you buy 1 unit of blood from these professional blood donors, you get many diseases for free.
Members of Meghalaya Wushu Association today gave a warm send-off to its members who will participate in the Junior National Wushu Boys and Girls Championship to be held long in lovely Professional University Phakwara, Jalandhar, Punjab from the 20th to 25th of this month. Speaking to the media, the president of Meghalaya Wushu Association, Donny Raphael Rani, complained of the lack of infrastructure for its martial arts to practice.
Kita kijing promise juga government kelak bandon ndai haba ladang keren ni kata kalau gomba ke pobit sibun nomor ladah po hariana ladah lo job ya ke olimpik job ya ke gold medal nyo hadu ndriu terus te hagi no nyo nyup sanlak ne si ur keempat ni hap ngaso bentang si krur keempat long ndai ki mentang nyup holak nyup sanlak kina yu kamdai ke behek kan semua bun ke hakan ga state ni hapan ora ka jingkala deh ora ka change ora ni in develop bikin ke kayu hamtam le menta pi baga ini jimpang ge mo kalong head kalong very important tinggi di encourage sebagai sports nang ba in like bikin jimpang di stom do baju pon long bikin ba perhatian ora di
naru tu senang mangsa hadu menta kiri mak kilapoi national international kajungon ra jangki tiki khusnam
ha ka wushu ka jinge ka don kindiat abang ngimyo e ka ka arena nadu to senam hadu menta ngampi mundon ba baik dan baju de long mu player football bomdon madan ni de kita ke player ke ba ndre nyiju wara hi IWR medal yo aki bronze medal hang ni aki nasional yo kata job university ni job ibun tambah ngim yo ke kita ka kumba de ben yo tambah ngim yo ban praktis ka jaka ka ba de ban praktis ti kita ki de ba ngapunya semua kumpa ki semua kumu brio bola promote bola niat ni ki nak kon ki suka sejorom no.
Before departing for the championship, the participants said,
Tisha kini ki ar lai bana untuk ya cukup kre te tangba ka kalau ka namar ngni po ngampat yo arena ma kini arena takadaw ha lempat po madan to te ka penstong gan yang dan ka po ru man sawe to te aku jisyak pen kre ta ni apen kre bahahi namar ki kutru long nang kuno ki biang ha ka po to long ki ai ka coaching ka biang te tahi ngakarmen ru bangin tagi push pom manjob matagi semua junior kategori mar nangani ya let kumba pramut kumto ni dan marshiteng samot kethei bat ngau mutsinga.
The members of Nyothrep Integrated Territorial Organization today strongly criticized the coming of the President of Delhi Sikh Gurdwara Management Committee, Manjinder Singh Sirsa, to Shillong recently. The term is coming at wrong time as the situation was not conducive as the state government is trying to shift all the residents of Mawlong Hut in Shillong to different government's establishment. Speaking to the media, the Nyothrep Integrated Territorial Organization, the leaders said as per report collected by their organization, there was a breach of health protocol in the meeting that was held on the 13th of this month at Mawlong Hut in Shillong. These leaders also said that they wholeheartedly support the state government in its effort to evict all the illegal residents from Mawlong Hut in Shillong.
Presiden Sardar Manjinder Singh Sirsa tengi iling bagi pelat lat pakai kubor nong san himangi iling bagi duna bre hendre yang dengi lawat ni toket yo dikidur bagi abuan bah kendre ki abuan bah ka to jingelang ka ba kilap pengken ru ya ka kendon jong ka ne ka SOP ka bla tha da ka ofe jong ka disi buram te halor kene ka jing ban gini ki breu sekene ke jela ka jini ni pa bantip shai na ka disi hato gini ki breu apply ka permission dan em te lada kila lada kim apply ru ka ai nakaliang ka sarkar jela bat naka disi kanaikan sistem iki bat kawai ru kajingwan tungki kane kadai ka provo ya ka jela ka jungi te ka bawan aiding haba menta kadang don kane ka controversial ha perdeng jumga pandemic bat kini ki illegal settler pernipa buat panjing pensai buat mereka serta Punjab hato kalau ploy penlong kata ke basmulan ke ban map jadi kita ki illegal settler ki badan hato ke jela ke jungki balai ni don kelong senam tamu bangin semulan je kita ki beliau ya ke hangni ke badai ka ba long bean ni na kalian ke jungi ni kersan ni government but kadai ban relocate bai but kadai ban kan riak bai ki wot na kan ka jela ke jungi but halor ke jingwan jungi ni mentuk kasni ka khalai ter ke janmiat ka kalau pausai ba katu ka entry exit point ru kamut kadon kilo ulub holes ka babiang kala dai sya kumba ka ong ka sarkar ka daitan ka Jakarta korna kam dai ra ka ban check ya kata jingrung ka jingbi jungki bar jela ka badai ngindala yo ya conversation ning ba ka WhatsApp bat kini ki entry sarkar ka badan hapo DC office film da pempa berteng ngala kali la ki ngong ba film awareness ki la syurong kita ga entry reply ki syong ba kemtep ta kamut ka ba smooth la hadu kata gan ba.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.